In a hotel, we use many materials for flooring. Every flooring needs special care and maintenance. I am going to tell you about how to keep the floor clean. In a hotel, you will find a variety of surfaces and material. The most common are marble and granite. You may also find wooden floor, and some floors may also have cotta or other stone. And finally you have carpets and rugs. You will normally find marble floor in public areas like lobby or in guest rooms, especially bathrooms.
Marble floor must be regularly mopped. Avoid using any chemical cleaners on the surface. Lukewarm water is best for marble cleaning.
If you are using a marble cleaner, make sure you use a marble-safe cleaner. That way, you will not spoil the finish of the surface. You can also buff the floor regularly to maintain a shine.
Wooden floor surfaces are used in guest rooms. They are made of engineered wood, and hence you must make sure that you do not use a very wet mop.
Wooden floor must be regularly vacuumed, and occasionally treated with a wood polish. We have already seen how to clean carpet in a previous lesson. If you have not seen it yet, click on the link above to visit the video. To clean granite or stone, you must use water and a mild chemical cleaner. Scrub the surface with a soft brush and mop dry. You can use a polish to provide a gloss. Be careful of some specialty stones. They may require special treatment. Tiles can also be cleaned as you clean stone or granite. Do you have any other flooring in your hotel? Let us know in your comments below and we will make a video on how to clean that. In case you have not subscribed to the channel, do so. This channel is produced by clarifiedbetter.com. And do check out the other videos in the channel. I'm sure you will learn something about the various departments in the hotel and you will be able to do well in your career.